Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's still your girl Ijeoma Florence. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time. For all my subscribers, you are welcome to the family. I welcome both old and new to the family. Thank you so much for subscribing. As you can see from the video, I made a spiral coils, okay? So sis, if you really want to learn or know how I made these spiral coils, continue watching the video. Okay, as you can see, I used rush attach color 1, okay, and now I'm trying to cut it into 2 equal parts. As you can see from the video, I'm cutting it into 2 equal parts. So when I'm done cutting, the next thing I did was to pick one of the half, then turn it over or fold it over again and cut it into 2 again. As you can see, that's what I'm doing now. I'll still cut this half into 2. That means in total I cut into 4 equal parts, if you understand what I mean. Okay, so I'm having 2 here now. So the next thing I'm gonna do right away, or what I'm doing right away, is to fade it out. As you can see from the video, it says I'm fading it out. And when I'm done, I'm gonna use my brush comb or my ribbon comb to comb it, to smooth it, okay sis? That's what I'm doing. Keep combing. As you can see, this is how it should look after combing, okay? Yes sis, as you can see from the video, after combing the hair, the next thing I used was my straw, and I'm trying to wrap the hair around the straw. Just put the hair across the straw, twist it a little bit, as you can see, then you start wrapping. As you're wrapping, make sure you are twisting it. You twist, you wrap, you twist, you wrap, okay sis? That's how you continue doing it to get that exact shape, okay? To get the spiral coil. While doing that, do not give space. Make sure that all of them comes together. As you can see me doing, that's what I'm doing. I'm still wrapping, okay? The straw I used was a kind of long, and I don't want to cut it, okay? So I'm going to be making it 2 in 1 straw. I'm now wrapping the second one. Wait, you're gonna see the end result, okay? That's what I'm doing right now, sis, okay? Can you now see? Now it's 2 in 1. So here is the results after wrapping. I did not even count it to know how many straws I made. Okay, let's assume that it's 20 straws. If you happen to be 20, that means what we're having is 40 hairs, okay? If you understand what I mean. Yes, sis, after wrapping the hair, the next thing you need to do is to dip the hair inside hot water. Then you add a leave-in conditioner. The product I used was TCB. Okay, as you can see, I'm now started to pour the hot water inside the bowl, pouring it on the wrapped hair, okay? I'm trying to make sure that the hot water touches all the hair one at a time. So take your time if you really want to get a cool coils, okay? Cool, nice and smooth coils. Make sure that the hot water touches all of the hair. Take time, take your time. And this is how the hair looks after dipping it inside hot water. Yes sis, after dipping the hair inside hot water, I dry it under room temperature, okay? Now this is exactly how the hair looks like. Let me remove it from the straw for you to see how the coils look at. It looks so amazing. Look at how the coils is dangling. It looks nice. I really love the outcome. Look at it, okay? Yeah guys, after removing the hair from the straw, yeah, I'll now make use of my ribbon to gather it. And from the video you notice I had 3 bundles. Each of the bundles contained 10 strands. That means in total I made 30 strands out of one packet. And one thing with these spiral coils is that you can use it to do various hairstyles. You can use it for braiding, you can use it to do false locks. Okay, you can also use it to do coil suivant with fringes. Okay, so it is nice. It's a versatile hair. You can use it to do anything. So guys, if this video was really helpful to you, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Support your girl. Let's grow this channel together. Let's become friends. Okay, always remember to write your comments on the comment section. Recommend my video to your family and friend, because you can never tell who might find this video helpful. Okay, love you, love you, love you guys. Until my next video, bye bye.